Told you I call these guys when I actually do my own work. Got Sean laying out the pot lights. All right, you guys, I think we're gonna have to cut to a little iPhone montage with some music because we're gonna have to shut off the breakers. I'm not gonna have much light, and this camera doesn't do so well in low light, so we'll just have to cut to that, and hopefully you guys can glean something from these little clips. Well, let's check out these lights. So one of them switches on from right here. Yeah, I did the right one. The camera is probably going crazy with the change in lighting. But as you guys can see, it turns on the one that's farthest away. And then the other one, the other switch is right here, and that lights it up. And the lighting is good enough to film with just this at night. I mean, I might still sometimes use my directional light just to not get like shadows and stuff like that, but it does a really good job. Okay, let's take a quick look at these lights. I still haven't taken the plastic off of all of them. They're pretty easy to install, and should you guys decide that maybe you're interested in any of these, I just got these on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. I'm pretty happy with them. Maybe there's better brands, you know, I don't know, leave a comment. Let me know what some good brands of pot lights are. But it's, oh, I picked the hardest one because it's got this joist right here. I swear it is actually pretty easy. I'm picking a different one. We're going to this one. I like to just clip these up here like this though, so that they actually still kind of point down instead of just hanging out. Okay, let's try this one. This one should be a lot easier. So it's got this box right here, and this switch right here, it goes from 5000K to 2700K. And that is the warmth of the light. So you can actually manually change the warmth of these. It's not something that you can do easily, like you gotta pull the boxes down and do them all at once. My wife likes them a little bit on the warmer side. I like them slightly on the cooler side. So because I'm the one that's filming in here all the time, we're gonna go with what I want for a film. I could see her, she's frowning. But yeah, they're a pretty simple light. Like you just got to snap one of these things in here so that the wire doesn't make contact with the box and cause a fire hazard or just short out the circuit. And then in terms of in here, it was pretty straightforward, right? You just make your connections, you know, connect the black wires all in one of these little things, which is fancy. I never used one of those before. I don't know what they're called, those connectors, all the white ones. And there's one for the ground in there. They tuck away pretty nice and neat. It goes back up there. And then I want to take this off while I'm here. It's one less to do. Oh, before I tuck that away, I better make sure I didn't change that switch. I had them all on the mediumest one. 1, 2, there we go. It's not something you want to be changing all the time. But they clip in super nice and easy. I'm leaving them all unclipped right now. Oh, I'm doing this wrong. I'm making it look so much harder than it is. There we go. It's really nice and easy. Nice, trim, simple light. We use these all the time. For like almost every reno I've worked on in like the last 5 years, we've used retrofit pot lights like these. So it's a very common thing. Anyways, if you actually are going to install them, make sure you either actually know enough about electrical or you hire an electrician like I did. And I just want to say thanks for watching Vancouver Carpenter. I hope you got something out of this video, and I hope you're doing really well, and I hope your project's doing almost as well as you are. I want you to do better. Okay. No, I hope your project's doing as well as you are. Unless you're not doing that well, then I hope your project's... Awkward outro complete! See you guys, we're all done. Oh, my wife just turned on the lights. All right, thanks for watching Vancouver Carpenter. I hope you're doing well. Video's done. That was a lot of rambling, sorry.